Good morning, students. How are you? Please take your civics lesson today. We have that is on take your history book. In that it is on page number 99. Rural local self government. Rural local self government. Okay. So let's come to the discussions. Today we will discuss about the local self government in the rural area. Rural means remote area which is far away from cities and towns. That is known as rural area, rural local self. That means which area is far away from it? That is village area, not properly developed area, undeveloped area, rural area, village area, where people get less facilities of good living. That is what. So we know that India is a vast country, and for that we have got the government to see at the center, at the state, and the village. So there are three levels of government. Village level, that is village panchayat, panchayat raj, panchayati raj, and then in the district level we have government. District level, then state level, then national level. So mainly it is categorized on level 3. What are that? Local self-government, state government, and the central government. In the local self-government, we have got the village panchayat, Jila Parishad, Block Samiti, and Panchayat. So Panchayat or village panchayat, Block Samiti, Jila Parishad. That is in the local self-government. And in the state, we have got the naturally governor and the chief ministers and the council of ministers. Okay, in the state level, so we have got different states. Whole India is divided into different states. 29 states or 28 states. So you should know whether it is 29 or 28. So we have got 28 states. Next one is the state, after state government, central government. Central government is at the center, the capital center of our nation is Delhi. From there, the central government rules over the whole country, makes laws and does welfare for all the citizens of India. So let us come to that. So central government, state government, and local self-government I have told already. Now let us come to the village level, panchayat level. In this level, this is known as panchayat. At the rural area level or village level, undeveloped level, the local self-government functions as the three-tier system of government known as Panchayati Raj system. Three-tier system, three layers of them. Three-tier means not the vehicle of the tire of the vehicle. So layers of the local government or village Gram Panchayat. In Panchayati Raj, there are three layers, three levels of government. What are they? Village Panchayat, Block Samiti, and Jila Parishad. Okay, Panchayat at the village level, Block Samitis at the intermediate level, that means in between the village and the Jila Parishad, and the Jila Parishad at the district level. District level, we are from Birbhum district, so our headquarter is Suri, and that is our district. District, Birbhum district. So whole administration is done from there. We have got the DM, district magistrate, who sees that. This body is autonomous, raising resources through their own contributions and depending it on village welfare activities. So village panchayat. Term village panchayat denotes from the village. So it is a village. She is solely for the welfare of the village. Traditionally, villages had the consisted of a wise representatives of. There are five wise men, those who were representing the people in the village, and whatever they said, that was used to be the becoming the rule for the village. Earlier days, they are known as Pancha Parameshwar, you see. And so from there this Panchayati Raj. But during the course of years, when the kings of other countries invaded India, then it when till the Mughals, it was there, Panchayati Raj was there. Village Panchayat was functioning. But when the Britishers came to India, they started ruling India, they abolished all those things, they did not take care of the village. And so they ignored the power of the village Panchayat. And so they insisted or imposed their own power. So, but after the independence, when after 1947, Mahatma Gandhi insisted or advocated that there should be Panchayati Raj system, and so that the people in the village will be benefited. So welfare measures can be taken in the village. So here Mahatma Gandhi advocated Panchayati Raj as the foundation of the Indian political system. He realized that decentralization, that means power has to be divided from the government, would work the best, where each village would be responsible for their self-governance. They will be responsible to look after themselves. The Panchayati Raj system was formalized by 73rd Amendment Act. Act means law of 1992. Only it became government considered is as a part of the constitution. Village Panchayati Raj system included. Earlier it was not included. So in 1992 only it was included, and then power. Government started giving power to the panchayats. Village Panchayat today, the village Panchayat Mukhyas and Sarpanch and Block Samiti, they have full-fledged power to rule the people, and so they are happy. Next one. So Panchayat system. The Panchayat system in the village consists of the following: Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyay Panchayat. In the village Panchayat we have got the three tiers now. So now we are seeing the Panchayat system. Then we will see the Block Samiti, then Jila Parishad. In Panchayat system we have got another three levels: Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyay Panchayat. Now what is Gram Sabha? I am not going line by line, so I will read. Gram Sabha consists of the members of the village who have attained the age of 18. All will be the members of the Gram Sabha. They will sit together and decide for the welfare of the village. Next one is the Gram Panchayat. That consists of the two or more villages, 2-3 villages. They form a Gram Panchayat. And so Gram Sabha elects the members of the Gram Panchayat. Okay, Gram Panchayat. And here the Gram Panchayat system, it makes up of one village or group of villages. Seats are reserved for the women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and members of other backward classes are also included. Gram Panchayat is the decision making body in the village, for the village, by the villages. It meets twice a year. The village Panchayat is responsible for commercial and matrimonial disputes. Matrimonial means marriage. Commercial means properties. Land disputes arising of the sharing of the irrigation facilities, tax collections, health and hygiene among the people. These are the work of the Gram Panchayat. Who makes the Gram Panchayat then? The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch. Sarpanch is the head of the Gram Panchayat. And the other individuals are called Panch. All others are called Panch. Sometimes the deputy sarpanch is also elected if it is necessary. Okay, the sarpanch organizes the meeting of the panchayat. The gram panchayat members are elected for the period of 5 years. Gram panchayat also has the secretary who is appointed by the government. Mind that, underline this. Who is appointed by the government and given salary. Rest all others sarpanch are not given salary. So, yes, some remuneration, some schemes, government schemes, they are benefited. But solely they are not given salary size, fixed salary. That is what. What is the work of the secretary? Secretary takes in the absence of the sarpanch, he heads the panchayat and does the welfare of the people on the village. He takes the date, he records the day-to-day activities of the gram panchayat. He makes the annual budget for the village, takes the responsibilities in the absence of the sarpanch and carries out the duties. The functions of the gram panchayat, what is the work of the gram panchayat? They have to provide health facilities to the people, supply clean drinking water, keep records, keep roads and the streets clean, construct and repair the roads and bridges and the wells and other things, drains, provide primary education to the children. Education of the farmers has to be looked after, and the health of the cattle and the sheep and the goats, all those. Check the spread of the diseases, control, check means control, and organize vaccinations, especially these days, the corona vaccine. Look after the weaker section of the society, those who are poor people and other backward castes. Okay, keep the records of the death and birth and death in the village. How many people are born and how many people and who are there. Make the record. Construct buildings and maintains the crematory and burial place. Cremation means where the dead bodies are burned. That is known as cremation. And the burial means where dead body is buried. So they have to see for some income. So they have to put sometimes the fete, village market, village mela, build rest houses, playgrounds, organize educational programs, be responsible for the community centers and entertainment program, all that. Okay, so Nyay Panchayat. Next one is the Nyay Panchayat. In the village there is another one, we have said last one, Nyay Panchayat. For the people, for every 3 or 4 village, there is a Nyay Panchayat. This is the village court. Nyay Panchayat is the village court. The members of the Nyay Panchayat are elected by the Gram Panchayat. They see whether the laws, the regular rules and regulations that is made for the villages are carried out or not. If somebody does any mischiefs, they have to be punished, and those who are done, they have to be rewarded, good workers. So here they will do justice to the people. If somebody has stolen somebody's things, somebody has the quarrel and all that. So what is the function here? Function of the Nyay Panchayat. Nyay Panchayat tries the petty civils and criminal cases. The imposes small fines for the people who does wrong. Then if any side is not satisfied with the judgment passed in the Nyay Panchayat, then they can go to the higher courts and appeal. Source of income in the village is every year there is a grant coming from the government. So that is there, and then they take the fees for all these panchayat. Those who come for Nyay, both the parties, they have to give some fees, and all that is given. There are few sources of income that is there. Please see to that. Now